How to change PIN on a Smart Wallet app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, launch a Smart Wallet app on your mobile device and make sure to sign in to your account if you are not already logged in. So currently I don't have account. If you have so you can sign in. Then you need to access the setting menu. You need to tap setting button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then inside the setting menu tap security. On the security section select change PIN, enter your current PIN and on the next page enter new PIN you want to create. Confirm your new PIN by re-entering it and once you have entered and confirmed your new PIN, your PIN code will be updated successfully. So that's how we change our PIN on a Smart Wallet app. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.